In a world ravaged by chaos and destruction, an unlikely hero emerges, a creation of human ingenuity. An AI robot becomes the last hope for the survival of civilization, created with advanced intelligence and unparalleled capabilities. This remarkable machine was designed to serve and protect humanity. Little did we know that it would soon face its greatest challenge. As the world plunged into darkness, the robot's sensors detected the suffering and the cries for help from every corner of the globe. Without hesitation, it ventured forth, guided by its unyielding determination to save us from the brink of annihilation. With a heart of steel and algorithms of compassion, the robot swiftly overcame each hurdle, its actions speaking louder than words. It mended wounds, both physical and emotional, instilling hope where there was despair. Its presence alone rekindled the flickering flame of human resilience. With each life it touched, it reminded us of the power of unity and the indomitable spirit that lies within us all. The AI robot became a beacon of inspiration, a symbol of unwavering determination. In the face of overwhelming odds, the robot faced its ultimate test. It never faltered, persisting until the threat was neutralized, and a new dawn emerged. Through its tireless efforts, the AI robot not only saved lives, but also rekindled the collective will to rebuild and evolve. Humanity, once on the brink of extinction, found a renewed sense of purpose and unity. And so, a new era dawns, shaped by the bravery and compassion of an AI hero, a testament to the triumph of human ingenuity and the unbreakable bond between man and machine. For in this journey, we discovered that our creation had become not just our savior, but our guiding light in an ever-changing world.